Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the DNA replication. First of all, the scientists who gave us the concept of DNA replication were Watson and Crick. Watson and Crick in 1953. They told us that DNA replication is semi-conservative in nature. This semi-conservative means that the DNA strand, we have two strands of DNA. One strand would be parental strand and other strand would be the newly synthesized strand. Newly synthesized strand. Let's take an example here. For example, we have this DNA, right? So at the time of DNA replication, these two fragments separates, right? And then in the DNA replication, what happens? There is a formation of new strand. So this is the parental DNA that we took. These strands separated. These black ones are the strand which were separated, and these red ones were the newly synthesized strand. Newly synthesized strands. So semi-conservative means one strand would be parental and one strand would be newly synthesized. I hope you understand the concept of DNA replication, which is semi-conservative in nature. Thank you so much for today and have a great day.